पडले म्हणटा तुमचे कितें हिशोबा
पळय जे काम गव्हर्मेंटान जे IIT गुवाहाटी यांच्या अंडर दिलेले सो आमी अशें ना कितें इट इज अंडर द मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस इन्स्टिट्यूट इन इंडिया IIT गुवाहाटी म्हणटा ती सो अंडर देअर सुपरविजन हे काम चलतलें आनी आयज हे सगळे जाण हांगा आसा जे टीम लिडर आसा मेकाफेरीचो टीम लिडर आसा मागीर मॅनेजर आसा इंजिनियर आसा डिझायनर आसा सगळे जाण जेणेन कोणेन हो कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट घेतलेलो आसा जे MD इन्फ्रा ते जो ओनर हांगा येयलेलो आसा मागीर महेंदर राणे जो टीम लिडर आसा जे सगळे सुपरवायज करतात तो हांगा आसा सगळ्यांक आपयलाय सो हे बेजिकली दीस पीपल आर सिट्युएटेड एट मुंबय सो तांकां फोन मारल्या उपरांत ते काल सांजचे पावले आनी आयज हांवें इन्स्पेक्शन दिलें कित्याक 2 दीस जाले आतां इन्सिडंट जावन सो तेज्या लागून टायम लागलो कित्याक बाबा ते मुंबय आसलेले तांकां इमिजिएटली आपयलो आनी ते पावले हांगा तसोच जो ओनर आसा जो हेजो आमचो MD इन्फ्राचो तोवूय कोल्हापूरचो तेकावूय हांगा आपयला सो तांकां सगळ्यांक घेवन आयज आमी इन्स्पेक्शन केलेलें आसा खंय तरी एक वायट गजाल घडलेली आसा आनी बिईंग अ लोकल MLA येस आय टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी घेवपाक हांव खंयच धांवना कित्याक हे काम जे आमी फास्ट ट्रॅकाचेर घेवन हे कंप्लीट करपाक लागून घेतलेले इनिशियली घेतलेले सो ते स्टार्ट जाले बऱ्या भशेन काम जाताले बट काही कारणाक लागून हे जाले तेजो ब्लेम घेवंक ना बट एक तेंच्यांनी एश्युरन्स दिल्लो आसा हांगा तुमकां मिडियाक सांगलेलो इट इज देअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी विदाउट एडिशनल कॉस्ट नासतना वॉट एवर वॉज द टेंडर एलोटेड अर्लियर त्याच टेंडराच्या एमावंटाचेर ते काम करून घेतले इट इज देअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सो एडिशनल कॉस्ट हेच्या भितर जावपा ना त्या तेजेर भितर जातलो एंड आय वील पर्सनली सुपरवायज इट आमच्या मदीं बाकीचो फुडता जो बाप आसा जो हायवेचो आमचो हेड आसा सो ही इज ऑल्सो वीथ अस तेका मुद्दाम आपयलेलो आसा कित्याक हे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्या अंडर येयल्या कारणान कित्याक हो टेंडरिंग जो आसा तो आमचो स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटान करूना सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंटाच्या अंडर तेंच्या अंडर काम दिल्लेलें आसा आनी म्हाका दिसतालें की बऱ्या भशेन एक काम जाता बट काही कारणांक जे तेंच्यांनी एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलां टेक्निकल आतां टेक्निकल ते खूब कितें सांगूंक शकना बट लोकांक रियलिटी जाय तुमी जशें म्हणटा लोकांच्या मनान एक भंय जावपाक नाका कित्याक फाल्यां तो पार्ट कित्याक पडपाना काय म्हणून जे तुमी क्वेश्चन करता म्हाका खंय तरी दुबाव आसा बट जेन्ना येदी व्हडली प्रेस्टिजियस इन्स्टिट्यूट जेन्ना हे हेड करतालो म्हाका दिसता असो आमी दुबाव घेवंक शकना आनी म्हाका खंय दिसता तेज्या लागून हांवें मुद्दाम PI आमचो मुर्मा गोवाचो तेका आयज हांवें आत्तां फोन मारून आपयला हांवें कित्याक म्हाका खंय दिसता कितें हेंचेर इन्क्वायरी जावंक जाय हेंचेर एक कंप्लेंट फायल जावंक जाय FIR जावंक जाय हेंचेर सो हांवें PIकूय इन्स्ट्रक्ट करपाक सोदता कित्याक बाबा हेजेर रिजन कितें आसा तो फायंड आवट करुया म्हणून एक कंप्लेंट करूया फाल्यां जाय पडली जाल्यार आय वील टेक द इनिशिएटीव हे कंपनीक ब्लॅकलिस्ट सुद्दां करपाची जबाबदारी हांव घेता फाल्यां जर हेंच्यांनी बरोबर काम करूं ना जाल्यार आय डोंट हॅव एनीथींग सिंपथी ऑर म्हाजें कितें तेंचे कडेन लेन देन ना जे तेंचे कडेन काम आमकां सेंट्रल दे मायट बी एट सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट आफ्टर ऑल इट इज पब्लीक मनी लोकांचे पयशे कित्याक हांगा जे एलिगेशनां करता हे करता तेजे लोकांक तो फूल अधिकार आसा तेंच्यांनी करचो ते प्रॉब्लम ना बट म्हाजें हांगा एज अ बिईंग अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन एज अ MLA इट इज माय ड्युटी बाबा आय टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी कितें हें चल्लां तें म्हाज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन चल्लां सो आयज म्हाका पूर्ण विश्वास आसा आनी तेज्या लागून PIकूय आपयला कित्याक ही फॉर्मेलिटी फुडें करची म्हणून आनी गरज पडली आनी तरी पासून म्हाका खंयचोरूय डावट येयलो काम सारकें जायना कित्याक टायम टू टायम एन अगेन आय वील बी इन्स्पेक्टींग दीस आनी खंय तरी दिसलें जाल्यार काम जायना जाल्यार आय एश्युअर यू बाबा हांव ते कंपनीक सुद्दां ब्लॅकलिस्ट करून दाखयतलो
तुमी इन्क्वायरी बसयतले हाजेर इन्क्वायरी तुम्ही बसयतले
तेज्या लागून PIक आपयलेलो आसा हांवें मुद्दाम कित्याक हेज्यात लागून इतलोच न्हू आमचे एक्सिडंट प्रोन झोन जाल्लो आसा तोवूय म्हाका कन्सर्न आसा कित्याक आयज लोकांक हांगा एक्सिडंट जाता लोकांचे जीव वयपाचो एक भंय म्हणटा तो सदांच म्हाज्या मनान आसता तरी पासून मागीर आमी कलेक्टराक रिक्वेस्ट करून गॅबनाक रिक्वेस्ट दिसून थंयसर आमी जो आसा तो ते लेन ओपन केल्लेली आसा सो वन वे अप टू रवींद्र भवन आसलो तो थंयसर आमी हे करून बॅरिगेड्स घालून थंयसर बाबा धाकटो हे केला आतां वन वे स्ट्रेच फक्त इतलोच आसा सायन बोर्ड सगळे घातलेले आसा तरी पासून फुडले आनी कितें प्रिकॉशन घेवंक जाय ट्राफीक सेफ्टीक लागून तेवूय हांव घेवपाक रेडी आसा बिकॉज आय एम ऑल्सो मोर कन्सर्न आयज म्हाका लोकांची लायफ म्हणटा ती इम्पॉर्टंट आसा म्हाज्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीची तेज्या लागून हेज्या लागून आयज मुद्दाम तांकां सगळ्यांक आपयले नाजाल्यार हांगा कोणूच नासलेले हांगा आसलेले ते फक्त काम करपी आनी तो टीम लिडर तेंचो तेजे सुपरवायजर हे केन्ना विकांतसून एकदां येता सगळे चॅक करतना वयता सो आयज तांकां मुद्दाम आपता ही तुमी जे पर्यंत जाग्यार पडना तुमची जबाबदारी तुमी हांगा रावंक जाय म्हणून सो तांकां आपयला आनी तांकां हांगाच दवरतलो हांव जे पर्यंत सारके जाग्याचेर पडना ते पर्यंत ती म्हाजी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आनी आय टेक द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी तुमी म्हणटा अशें कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी हांव घेता रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिंग अ लोकल MLA म्हाजी जबाबदारी कित्याक आय हॅव बीन ते फेलियर न्हू हांव खंय तरी फेल जाला कित्याक येदे व्हडले एक रिकॉग्नायज इन्स्टिट्यूटाक दिवन सुद्दां अशें जावप म्हटल्यार एक खंय तरी म्हाका भंय जाला कित्याक फुडें आनी कितें इन्सिडंट जावचो म्हणून. सो अंडर माय सुपरवायजन एंड अलॉंग विथ अवर लोकल वी विल सी दॅट द प्रॉपर वर्क जे आसा ते फुडलें ते बऱ्या भशेन काम जावचें.
Basically, if you see, if we have done work in a stretch of 100 meters. Out of that, the only distress, or you can say some movement has happened in the fascia in the 10 meters portion. Rest all is everything is fine. And we have completed this fully, like you can see the anchors, the slope is stabilized, there is no movement in the slope. Slope is completely stabilized with the technology that we have used. Only the facing part has moved because of some, localized pressure or something. And that the water has gushed from the top. If you would have closed from the top, this incident might not have happened. This is what prima facie we can say.
No, but when you are saying that the water is gushed from the top, and it could have flown in a regular way, it could have affected other areas also. How come only a part of it
That
is
is what I am
collapsed?
trying to say, that it has happened only in a localized this thing, not in a total this thing, or else the whole of the structure would have been affected. The affected portion is only 10 meters, so prima facie what I can say is that some localized pressure have come that we are trying to investigate and get it rectified.
So, but when works happen and we have so many IITs involved and a portion of it collapses, so how can
Sir,
people
it is
trust
not
the other
collapsed.
part
That
of
is
it?
what I am trying to say. It is not collapsed. It is only a certain movement of happened at the bottom, which has caused this to do this thing. It has not collapsed. You can see the slope. It is still stable. The only movement that has happened is the fascia part.
So, but when such things happen, how sure are you about the other part that are intact as of now? What happens
So
to
that
those
is
works?
what I am saying, that if it would have happened, it could have happened in the whole stretch.
But
Now
how
it's
do you
only
say
in
that
the.
it could not happen? It will
No,
not
no,
happen in the
sir,
future.
You can see, you can show to the camera also that it is still intact, nothing has happened. That is what I am trying to say, that some localized pressure has come over here which has caused this thing.
So the day before the collapse, this was also okay, but then
And
now.
so even if you see, this is a flexible fascia. So it's not like your concrete retaining RCC wall. Like if it collapses totally. It gives you an early warning sign that it is going to move or some movement is happening, which it has done its work basically.
So what
You
happens
see?
to the project? Extra expenses?
No,
or-
I think, sir, it is under a DLP, defect liability period, so it's our responsibility. There is no extra expense. It will be done in the same cost pot.
So additional time will be required. A little bit.
Additional time, little bit of additional time is required. Saying,
जो
no,
जो आप बोल
everything
रहे हैं वो
is-
टेक्निकल है फैक्टर. अगर
सर
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ
आगे
अभी-
गिरेगा क्या नहीं गिरेगा आप
नहीं
गिरेगा तो
गिरेगा,
आप
सर।
ब्लेम लेंगे क्या नहीं लेंगे क्या रेंट पे बोलेंगे आप इतना ही बोलिए सर क्या
सर
क्या बोलेंगे?
देखिए, DLP है, कुछ भी गलत होता है, वी हैव टू डू द रीवर्क एंड गेट इट रेक्टिफाइड. दैट इज व्हाट विल बी डूइंग इट नाउ. इट्स अ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट इवेंट दैट दिस लोकलाइज्ड फेलियर हैज हैपेंड, बट जो भी होगा, इट इज अंडर आवर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टू रेक्टिफाई द होल सिस्टम एंड मेंटेन इट फॉर 5 years. दैट्स ऑल आई कैन से टू यू राइट नाउ. Responsible service.
ये अभी ये
So
जो
this basically torrential rain has come, sir. So localized flow of water has come. So that's that's under nature's this thing. That's not in our hand to say like how it is. We are investigating it totally. That some localized pressure it has come. So we are going to mitigate it in the next.
basically the entire topography, the work was done because it is a landslide prone
Yeah.
area. So how
So
do
here you see the critical
how you
portion.
change
We
the
have
situation?
done this thing in a very this way. It has still not moved. Everything is in place. But the portion that has gone, maybe because of some localized failure or something. That is what I am trying to say, sir.
Sir,
had rains not come and he had to reach the top, there would have been no problem. Unfortunately, because of this orange alert, yellow alert what we have got, and even in PIU Honavar near Karwar, some landslides have taken place. Some landslides have taken place in Kolhapur, in package 1, in Ratnagiri, and some in PIU Hassan and in Kerala also. That because I don't know whether God is punishing us or what. Such sort of rains are not expected. And even in May, first time, from May 15 onwards, it started raining. This affected our. Had it not rained, we would have finished the top 2 layers, and there would have been no problem. Once he had to reach the top, and the final layer would be put a concrete disc, there would have been no problem. Now what has happened, and they have taken this out. Initially this has not fallen, this has been taken out because of this heavy rain. That filter media which is there, that small mud, which was there, it slipped and there was a bulkhead. So we told him to take out everything. They have taken it out. And you can show the photographs what happened. The initial bulk
The basic thing is that amongst all the restoration works that were
This is
taken
the
across.
before bulging and before bulging.
Yes,
This is the photograph
Yeah,
we have
and
already reached, and that
this
is
is
after
the-
bulging that
this is the
Sunday midnight that happened. This is Sunday midnight we have what happened.
so he has taken out everything.
So this
We
is the
made him take
continuous
out and do
rainfall
this
from 15th August to this.
These torrential rains which are there were not this. No.
Sir, but you started work
See,
in the
no,
rains
no.
only, no?
No, we started before rain, but rains came early. You know, and
will come.
we wanted to finish it. And now after the rains are over, you come and see nothing will happen.
But what guarantee is there? So now see what happens. Till Sunday it was okay. It only collapsed when it collapsed. So what happens next to other portions? What guarantees that it will not collapse now?
So there is a Delta liability period of 5 years as per the